mushroom, I tell you what I'd do. I would take that mushroom and split it in two. Oh, if I had a mushroom, I'd tell you what I'd do. I would take that mushroom, and I hope that you would too. The sky would look all cloudy, it'd be making shapes and such. We'd be dreaming about the future, and we both know that ain't much. Oh, and if I had a mushroom, I'd split it